That's the sun right behind the house, and thankfully hiding behind the one and only cloud in the sky. Saved my eyes while making the videos though. I feel this house is going to polarize people, because if you're anti-HOA, this house is not for you. But if you know how to even spell the word golf, then this house might be for you in what's considered one of the more prestigious neighborhoods in Keizer. That's because this home for sale is in McNary Estate, which is attached to McNary Golf Course. You might consider buying a golf cart, because I swear that's like a second or third car to people in this neighborhood. I feel this house is also good for someone who wants minimal responsibilities in their lives, because look at his fantastically low maintenance backyard. What do you have to do? Trim the bushes like twice a year? From your lawn chair? And that applies to the rest of the house. The house is turnkey, meaning I didn't see any projects you would need to do after you bought the place. And frankly, the best part of this is that it's not a flip. I mean, you probably already guessed that though by the lack of the millennial gray. Let's hope that that fad is good and thoroughly dead now, because it was stripping away the soul out of every house it touched. In case you missed it, this house is also plumbed for a gas dryer. I've never had one, but I hear it saves you a lot on utilities. I've also never had a tankless water heater. Have any of you ever had one? Like, this is what I want to know. Does this solve the problem of so-and-so in your house using up all of the damn hot water and you gotta take the world's quickest shower so you don't die of hyperthermia? Please let me know in the comments. Curiously, while this house is almost 1,700 square feet, I didn't think the rooms were incredibly large. Nice, yes, but not large. The primary has a double door, which is always interesting, and I can't complain too much about the size of the primary suite. I'll give them that they were generous with the space here. Like this bathroom. Yes, it is as big as it looks here on video. And I always appreciate double sinks. Makes it easier for when you're both getting ready to go to work. And you can see that they use the same materials through the house, so it definitely has a good aesthetic flow to it. I'm not sure what you put up in that space, but hey, it's there. Anyway, if a home in McNary Estates appeals to you, send me a message and let's go see it in person. As always, good luck on your property search out there.